Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Halal wine. First, understand that Halal wine is a non-alcoholic beverage, strictly adhering to Islamic dietary laws. It's crafted from grapes or other fruits, but the fermentation process is carefully controlled to ensure no ethanol is produced. This is achieved by using specific yeasts or inhibitors that prevent alcohol formation, resulting in a delicious, permissible drink for everyone to enjoy. Next, let's gather your supplies. You'll need fresh, ripe grapes, a specialized non-alcoholic yeast strain, and clean water. For equipment, a large, food-grade fermenting vessel is crucial, along with a hydrometer to monitor sugar levels. Remember, thorough sanitization of all your tools is absolutely essential to prevent any unwanted contamination and ensure a pure, high-quality product. Now for the crafting process. Begin by crushing your grapes to extract the juice, then carefully add your non-alcoholic yeast strain. Maintain a consistent fermentation temperature, ideally between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, to optimize yeast activity without alcohol production. Regularly monitor the process with your hydrometer to confirm that no ethanol is forming, ensuring your wine remains truly halal. Finally, once fermentation is complete and you've confirmed zero alcohol content, it's time to filter and bottle your delicious halal wine. For the best flavor, allow it to age for a few weeks. This really helps to enhance its unique profile. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Serve chilled and enjoy your homemade, permissible beverage with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.